Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan afang soup. Before we go on, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, join the family so that whenever new videos come out, you'll be one of the first to receive them. So now back to our soup. For this recipe, I'm going to use our usual afang, water leaf, I'm going to use some locust beans for flavor since there'll be no crayfish. I'm also going to use some mushroom, some black fungus, the pepper. A detailed afang soup recipe is on the channel, so you can check that out for a proper tutorial on afang soup. So I started off by blending the pepper, onion, and locust beans together. So this is it. I've put it in a pot. I'm going to just rinse the blender and pour the remaining water in here. And I'm also going to put in some palm oil so that I'll give this time to cook, because mushroom and black fungus don't need a long time to cook. If you put them now before the palm oil cooks and everything, they will be overcooked. So this is a mix here. I'm just going to cover this and allow it cook for about 5 minutes to make sure the palm oil smell is all gone. So after 5 minutes, here is how it looks. I'm going to now put in my mushrooms. You can choose to cut your mushrooms smaller. I used canned mushrooms because I didn't have fresh ones. The mushroom has been cooking for about a minute, so in goes our black fungus. We're going to put in some seasoning cubes now. So just make sure you break it properly. And after that, you're going to put some salt too. Stir this properly, cover it, and allow it cook for another 2 minutes. Time to put in our water leaves. Make sure your water leaf is properly washed and cut so you don't have sand in your soup. Stir it properly and then taste for seasoning. Make sure everything is okay, because when you put the afang, you will not keep it on fire for long. After the water leaf has cooked for a little bit, we're now going to put in our afang. So the afang, remember, you either pound it or you blend it in the market. After putting the afang, we're going to stir it properly and allow it cook for not more than 3 minutes, because you still want this fresh. And one thing to remember is that afang thickens as it cools. So our soup is ready and it tastes so good. Really, there's no much difference in taste between this and the regular afang soup. So you can try this and let me know in the comment section if you did, please. So if you're watching this video right now and you've not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for now? Haba, just subscribe, join the family, get new videos when they are posted. And when you subscribe, please, the bell by the side, just click on it so that you'll be notified whenever new videos are posted. Thank you for watching. Bye.